The Bank of Japan leaving interest rates unchanged overnight. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida was in New York this week for the UN General Assembly, and he spoke yesterday at the Economic Club of New York about encouraging the asset management industry in Japan and attracting more foreign investors. Prime Minister Kishida has made a renewed focus on capitalism a cornerstone of his agenda. I moderated a Q&A session with him yesterday and asked about Japan's negative interest rate policy.
Just politically speaking, though, if they did end zero interest rates, would it make meeting your political agenda more difficult because of the shrinking liquidity, or would it perhaps be more helpful because it would strengthen the yen?
My government is closely monitoring the movements in the foreign exchange market, whether it is excessive, at a high level of vigilance, and will appropriately respond to excessive volatility without ruling out any options.
Now, the Bank of Japan today did not raise interest rates. They held things steady. But Governor Ueda there did make comments that suggested by the end of the year they could very well finally move away from negative interest rates, which is something that has kind of mired the Japanese government, the Japanese economy for decades at this point. You've seen what's happened over the years. They need to get out of the negative interest rate policy to do things like convince consumers to actually spend money and actually take the money that's been in savings account to reinvest into stock markets. They need to find ways to see growth, because if you look at the Japanese wages, they were making more money than Americans. Yep. Yeah, the demographics will talk that, but they were making more in wages than Americans back in the 1980s. Yep. They're now making about 40% less than the average American. They have a huge demographics problem where the death rate is actually higher than the birth rate. They have 10% of their population are aged 80 and over, 29% of the population aged 65 and older, and that's the oldest in the world, just in terms of a population. Great longevity, but not great in terms of what you have to do to help that economy. He seems very aware, the Prime Minister, of all of these problems and is trying to move to tackle things. He's talking about a new capitalism, wants to redistribute some money to the middle class to try and shore things up and move those. But he's also very aware of the demographics program, and they're talking about a new program that would make it much easier for working moms by helping out with childcare, because they need those stay-at-home moms to get back into the workforce to help with things too.
And remember this, they made a slight move a couple months ago that really affected, the global markets in terms of the ban that they were going to let.
The yield curve, the constraints.
And which looked like the carry trade. I don't think it's not over yet. You can still borrow over there.
But they did say that not just negative interest rates, but the YCC, the yield curve, yep, that they may release all of those things by the end of the year. And that's why you've seen the yen pick up a little bit recently with these comments that Ueda made earlier this month and then again today. But that's the question, when they can move out of this.